Here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card as well as how to double check the mobile settings, okay? So first thing you got to do is go ahead and take out this SIM tray right here. So it's in here. So you want to go ahead and take that out. You want to go ahead and get your SIM ejection tool. Now your SIM ejection tool, after you take out of the box, you have this pamphlet here. You have to kind of open the bottom part up and you can see the SIM ejection tool there, okay? If you don't have that laying around, you can always use a different SIM ejection tool from a different phone or whatnot, or you can even use like a paper clip or a bobby pin, even the back of the stud earring, as long as the needle is kind of like long and thin, okay? So top left hand side here is the tray. What you're going to do is see that little tiny hole up there. We're going to go ahead and insert the needle in there. So I'm going to put that needle right into the hole right there, and what I'm going to do is press towards the phone. Okay, so I'm going to press towards the phone until that lip pops out a little tiny bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide this out. Now I'm not going to turn it over or anything. I'm just going to put it out just like this and leave it just like this. So I'm going to put it in just like that. Okay, so hold it just like this. Now when you look at the SIM tray here, if you look on the top right hand side, there's a little tiny diagonal slit on the top right hand side. So you can't get this wrong, okay? So my SIM card, I see the diagonal slit right there. So you can only put it in one way, okay? So it's only going to go in this way with the metal contacts facing down. And just make sure you press in where everything is nice and flush, and if you turn it over, it's not going to fall out of the tray, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and slide this in. Right now it says no SIM up there, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. Let me slide it in there, just like that. And let's see if it finds. My carrier says no service still. Oh, I'm hearing something. Oh, T-Mobile, which is my carrier here in the US, and I also see my reception bars up there. Okay, now if you have T-Mobile, then most likely you're going to have to restart. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and restart this. And it's booting back up now. So let me go ahead and log back in now. So now just go ahead and go to your settings. You can slide up in the middle of the screen like that and then look for settings. Mine is right there. Let's tap on settings. And then right up here it says connections. Let's tap on connections. And from here we want to go down to where it says mobile network. So let's tap on that. And let's see here. So you have data roaming. You can see they turned mine on by default. I'm perfectly fine always leaving mine on. Some of you guys may get charged up to a certain point and so on. So just be careful with the data roaming. And they automatically checked allow 5G service. Okay, cool. 2G. And I also have my network operators here set on automatically. And my access point should be T-Mobile, which is again is my carrier here in the US. So everything is up and running. I see my reception bars up there, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Any questions or issues, just comment below.